Hi everyone, and welcome to a new tutorial on how to create this nice bowl on your Rubik's twist or on your Rubik's snake. To explain to you how I created this bowl, I have to bring the Rubik's twist in its original shape. So it's back in its original shape. So this is a Rubik's twist or a Rubik's snake, and what you have to do to create a bowl, you have to position your snake like this, so this facing down, and you push the first triangle, you push it away from you like this, and then you can count 1, 2, and you pull it towards you. And now just this one also towards you, and then 1, 2, and this one away. And as you can see, your snake now has, well, sort of a head, but this is the start of the bowl. And what you now do, so the next step is bring this one a bit towards the other one. And now you can create the first part of the bowl, and you can connect this and this by just pushing it towards each other. And as you can see, you now got a small part of the bowl, and you just continue working on the bowl, creating the same figures as you do right now. So you want to work towards this triangle. So we create a flat spot here, then we push this one, and we know we want to connect this black one to that one, and it is a bit impossible, but if you flip this and then start bringing it up, you've got them connected, and that's something that you keep on doing. So now you want this part to be connected, so you bring this one up, you can count 2, you bring this one towards you, and then you can rotate it together. You can connect it. Again, we continue on building the bowl. So this one is open, so you go to that one, 1, 2. So we bring this one up. Sorry. So it feels a bit messy when you're working on it, but actually it is quite simple once you get the hand of it. So like this, then the last piece, you can connect them, and then you can rotate this one, connecting the complete bowl. And as you can see, I've now created a complete bowl. Actually, the first step, you need to take some time for the first step, and after that the bowl comes out of itself. So it's quite an easy trick. I hope this tutorial was useful and you are now able to create this bowl yourself, and I hope to see you in the next tutorial.